students, now what we are learning is framing questions, especially WH questions. What are the words we have to use in framing different questions? That is whether, which, what, where, how to use them. This is what we are learning, and in my previous videos you could have observed that. Now this video is going to be a practice session for you. Okay, now let's see. So what questions can you ask a person when you meet them for the first time? Now here some words are jumbled and you have to check them properly and frame questions. That's the exercise. Now name is what you are. It's a very simple question and I hope all of you can do it very well. Name is what you, that is, what is your name? What is your name? Okay. Now go to the second sentence. Live, do, where you? Guess? Yes. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. Now go to the third one. You do, many sisters have brothers, how and? Can you guess it? 2 minutes time I give you. Not even 2 minutes, you can finish it in 20 seconds. Yes. You do, many sisters have brothers, how and? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Okay, what's the next question? Speak, do, English, you. Speak, do, English, you. Speak, do, English, you. Yes. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Okay, try the last one. You studying, working or are? What is this? Yes. Are you studying or working? Now see, this are and this are, this or that. Then you have to spell it with OR. Are, this is the verb, B form of the verb. Are you studying or working? So whenever you meet a stranger, you have to ask, usually we ask, and you can ask these sort of questions. So what is your name? Where do you live? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Do you speak English? And are you studying or working? Okay? Okay students, now we will see another exercise. Okay? Now I have written certain questions here in jumbled way. You have to frame them putting in the order. Okay? So you have to put them in order and frame the questions. Now see the words here. Were, where, night, last, you. So can you guess it? How can you make a question with these words? Yes. Where were you last night? Where were you last night? Okay. Now second one. Did, what do you? What you can do this? What did you do? Okay. Now coming to the third one. Book was, how the. Now we have to frame question using these words. Book was, how the. How was the book? How was the book? How was the book means when we read a book, we get certain opinion about it. You may like the book or you may feel it's boring, and whatever your opinion and feeling, that is what this question is asking about. How was the book? Okay. Next one. That did after what you do. What did you do? What did you do after that? After that. That means you must have done some activity, and after that what did you do? Okay. That's a question. Did have what you dinner for. So how can you make a question? What did you What have for your dinner? What did you have for your dinner? And the last one, sixth question. It how was? It was how? So, how was it? How was it? How was it? So you went to the park yesterday. How was it? Did you like it? Yes, this is in the past tense. Sleep when you did. When did you sleep? When did you sleep? So these are the various questions we form using the words which are given in the jumbled way. So this sort of practice sessions will make you thorough in framing the questions and using them whenever you meet people and whenever you want to ask questions. Got it?